Us. Copper, I make a little bit of money off it, but most importantly, you get a better deal than you normally would by using a partner link, and it's much appreciated. And I can only hope that it continues to go that way, and you guys continue to use my links as the Bitget link down there and my Bitget link that's shortly to come here in the next few days. But the Bitcoin price, as we pull out our industry exclusive purchasing tool, you can see if you want to get bullish this weekend, you got to get above this bear flag upper resistance and get on top of this 22,000 and change to 23,000 right here to trade on up. But right now, what I fear and what I'm thinking is you're underneath it and you've been getting rejected by it in the past. I think you're going to trade down towards this 21,085 this weekend in Bitcoin, but we'll continue to watch out for that, right? Ethereum, you can see with our industry exclusive purchasing tool, I don't know why it does that. You can see if you want to get bullish in Ethereum, you got to get above this area right here, right? You got to get above this horizontal upper resistance at $1,685. And if you did that, you could run up to 2169 really quick. But the longer you stay below the $1,769 mark right here in blue, it's going to force you down towards this $1,269 in Ethereum. And that's what I'm watching for this weekend. And then everybody's favorite XRP, just like we were talking about in XRP, it seems like for the last few weeks, as long as you're below this 37 cents, you're getting shot down as you tried to pick your head above this. Bam! Shot, bam! Right in the head. Dip down below right here. As long as you're below that, that's very bearish. And it's going to knock you down towards this regional supply zone, which is just above the last line of defense in orange, aka get my shit together to the shit house. And if you stay rejected below this and slip below the 200-day right here, you're going to trade down into this white supply zone. If you can get above that and hold it as support, much like Ethereum, you can make a nice run to 48 cents. And if you're a long-term hodler in XRP and you're trying to figure out when you should start long-term hodling, anything below where you're at now, you can parcel your way in. But I do believe you're going to come down to a 10 to 15 cent range, 10 to 20 cent range. And I think you're going to have extended time down there to accumulate XRP. But that's not for sure. Nobody knows the future. But I think you're going to get down into this range between the 11 cents and the 20 cents, as we have a 20 cent target that we've had since the price of XRP was way up here in that 12-month symmetrical triangle when it was $160, $1.70. Horrible places to accumulate. But anything down here, you can partial your way in. Don't go all in if you've got $10,000 that you want to buy in XRP for the long term. Buy some now, buy some as it drops down farther, and then just keep averaging in dollar cost average, whether you buy once a week, once a day, once a month. But I think there's going to be a max accumulation zone and down into this orange support zone, right? And the farther down in that orange support zone, the better and better mass accumulation it'll be. But now is not a bad time. If you think XRP is a major player and it's going to have a major pump into the future after we come out of this bear market, it's a great time to start accumulating. And the farther down in this price range that you get, the better and better accumulation it would be. So you start off just nibbling, and the more if you have 500 shares of XRP, 500 coins, and it goes down 20 cents down into this 15 cent range, buy 2,500 coins down there, and then you have an average cost down in the 20 cent range area, right? And that's a great spot to accumulate. It's a great area to do it. And I'm going to start breaking down great areas I'm going to start breaking down areas that I feel are great areas to accumulate all these coins, right? And I know there's a lot of XRP people in here. I am not an XRP maximalist, right? But I do think XRP has a future. I'm not as bullish to where it's going to take over the banking system as some of you. But hey, if you've done your research, you know what you're looking at, and more power to you. And I'm willing to give you these ranges that I feel are areas that should be mass accumulated. And then if we look at some XRP, you can see the U.S. gets another crypto regulation idea. Get your daily blah, blah, blah regarding the U.S. commodities futures trading.